Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer money from card to PayPal instantly. So if you want to transfer your debit or credit card, well, basically, these are the steps. So first, we're going to open the PayPal website. And then from here, you just have to click on the request button. So right from here, beside the send button, so click on request. And then from here, as you can see, you'll find this request payment form. So you want to enter an alternative email that we have access. So don't use email that you have set up for PayPal account. You need to use a different or alternative email. So for example here, so we're going to type the alternative email. So this is just an example. So you can type here also your email or alternative email. So once done here, click on request from and then the email, and then basically click on the next button here. Once you click on the next button, here you just have to type the amount that you want to request. So for example here, and then we're going to click on this request a payment button. So once you click on that, as you can see, it says here that you requested this amount from this Gmail. So what you're going to do, you just have to open your Gmail here. And then here, we're going to click on the PayPal inbox. So basically here, you'll find this message. So you're going to click on this Pay Now button. So as you can see, we have some details, amount requested, and also the transaction date. So click on Pay Now. And from here, you have an option to basically log in your PayPal. But in this case, we're going to select this Pay Without a PayPal account. Now, once you click on this Pay Without a PayPal account, basically, you will now go to the next page where you need to write down your credit card information. So you just have to complete all the information from your debit or credit card. And then once done here, once you approve or verified, you just have to click on the agree and send money. So that's it. That's how you can transfer money from card to PayPal instantly. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.